Alright, so let's get this unboxed right here for you guys. Woo! Kind of excited. It's a budget phone. Alright, so this is a very special one. The reason why it's called Armor X is because it is a rugged phone. Okay, it has some weight to it right when you open it straight out the box. Okay, there it is. So this phone here has a dual rear megapixel camera, 13 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel aperture lens. Pretty sure that's what that is. It has Octa-core, 3 gigabytes of RAM, Android Pie, and a 5000 milliamp battery. As I told you, the IP rating up here shows 68. 5 megapixel front camera. This is the orange and black version. Shockproof. And it also has a customizable button on the side here. Alright, so let's get it turned on. Oh, before I turn it on, let me unbox the rest. Let's see what else we got in this thing here. Okay. Okay, so you have your SIM pin. Got your SIM pin. Comes with a tempered glass. That's neat. Thank you for that. We need that. Instructions of phone charging. Don't know why you would need that, but there you go. Few manuals. Warranty card. This warranty card is supposed to be good for 1 year. 1 year warranty card. Those to the side. Okay. You hear your micro USB charging cable. And last but not least, the charging block. And that's all that's in the box. Alright, so let's get this turned on. I'm going to go ahead and install the glass right now. Okay, so it says here, peel this off before you apply the mask. And this here should be as easy as...
Be sure to leave a like and a comment in the description below.
No. Alright, so there's a tempered glass already installed. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Usually what you want to do is charge the phone. Pause it. Alright, so you can see here we have actual buttons for volume up and down, the power here, waterproof symbol. Alright, so this is the device. The Octa-core is let's open up YouTube. It's fairly responsive. It's not instant, but it's fast. For a budget phone, it works. very well. You see the video quality? Responds quite well, actually. So yeah, I think it's a really great phone for a budget phone. I got this for $150 on Amazon. If you guys are looking for something a little more rugged, waterproof, at a budget price that actually works and you can use, I'm gonna take a few pictures here. See how these pictures turn out. It has an Ultra HD mode. So yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more information about the product, see the link down in the description below.